Hey everybody, and welcome to Frankie's DIY Life. I'm Frankie. This channel, if you've never been on my channel before, is just making stuff, redoing stuff, starting from scratch sometimes upcycling. But today I've got a little project, and by the way, thank you for joining me. I've got a little project, and I have already made one, and I'll show it to you. And here it is. And what is it, you say? Well, it's a neck scarf. It's a kitchen, I got a string on me. It's a kitchen neck scarf. So there's your towels right there. You know, so when you're in the kitchen, you just do it like that, you let go. You know, that beats the purpose of throwing it over your shoulder. But anyway, like I said, I've already made one. And it's really, really simple to make. They make nice gifts. And we're going to make one today. And here's what we're going to make it out of. This is just a $1 mark dish towel. Now, it's got the same picture on both sides. And what we do is just cut it in two. So far, we've only got $1.25. Whereas if they hadn't gone up, it would just been $1. I hate that. Anyway, then we have a sheet. And I have torn out just a little section right here. And then I'm going to fold this in two. Just like that, sew it up. Now, the whole neck scarf is going to be, you know, by the time I take the seam up on it and stuff, it'll probably be from like here to here. So, I'm going to put it around my neck. Now, you choose how long you want it. You can have it short and have both towels up here, or you can have it just a little bit longer, which I prefer because your hands are down here. You have to reach up here. So I'm going to probably, since I want it right here, I'm going to measure from here to here. So I'm going to cut this one off right here. And then after I get it cut off, I'm going to sew it down the side. And then we're going to put this on that dish towel right there. And we'll be done. It's a simple project. Let me get it cut off. So I've got this little piece cut off right here. I'm fixing to take it to my serging machine. But now if you don't have a serging machine, just do a zigzag stitch or just a regular straight stitch, because we're just going to flip it inside out. So let me do that right quick. And then I'm going to put a hem. This side's already got a hem, and so I'm just going to put a hem in this side. All right, I've got that seam run down through there, and I'm just going to turn this inside out. All right, I gave that a nice press. Now I've run the seam, and I've pressed it to where the seam will be like on the back of your neck, and then the nice smooth side will be the side that's showing. All right, so now all I'm going to do is just cut this right in two. And now we are going to insert each side in here. So I made mine just as long as this piece. Now on this one, I made it narrow, and then I just put a little pleat in it. But for machine's sake and going over that little hump right there, it's easier just to insert it with a smooth, flat seam all the way across. I'm just going to slide it right in there. And it fits. I'm going to make sure it's even on both sides. And then I'm going to give it a little pin and take it to my machine. And I'm going to run me a stitch down this edge right here, and then on the top edge. So it'll be like a little box. Well, you know, it'll be the same as this hem that's already on it. We're just going to make that little square. Well, I shouldn't say square. You know what I'm talking about. And we're going to turn it. And we're going to go back around. Now I left my pins in, as you see. I can always sew over them. so I got them attached. Now let's see what they look like on. Okay, so here they are. Isn't that cute? So now when I'm doing cooking and washing dishes, I just reach down and down I go. Look, this thing from top to bottom probably was just 5 minutes, if 5 minutes, and that was counting cutting this and cutting this into, I mean, it's real simple. So for $1.25, and you just got to find a little piece of material, and a bed sheet or whatever you've got, and it makes like a real cute little Christmas gift for $1.25.